us. And then time takes over. As the seasoned green onions ferment, their flavors become deeper and more complex.
One ingredient can now be divided into completely different culinary paths. Some pieces are destined for fermentation, others will meet a hot griddle. After the journey through farms, kitchens, grills, fermentation, and bakeries, everything finally arrives at the same place, the table. Listen closely, and the story changes again. Water, knife, fire, oil, fermentation, every stage creates a different.
Keep it steady. Keep it steady. All right, almost there. Watch the turn.
Watch, sorry.
Got it. Keep these tight. Almost done with this row. Looking good back here.
Why are Koreans so obsessed with green onions? In Korea, this humble vegetable can travel an extraordinary journey. Before green onions reach a Korean kitchen, many began in carefully controlled growing systems like this. Above the water, we see green leaves. Below it, an entirely different world is developing. Fine white roots absorb the nutrients and water needed to build the plant. Once the onions reach the right size, the harvest begins. Each plant is handled carefully, because freshness is everything. Fresh green onions may look simple, but their appeal is all about contrast. Crisp leaves, juicy stems, a sharp aroma. One of the most dramatic transformations begins here. Fresh green onions are combined with Korea's bold fermented flavors, turning a simple. But green onions are not finished surprising us. In Korea, they can become a completely different experience when dropped onto a hot pan. The secret is contrast. A crisp golden surface surrounds soft green onions inside, while the heat intensifies their natural sweetness and aroma. And just when you think green onions belong only to vegetables and pancakes, the story takes another turn. On a Korean grill, they meet rich, savory pork makjang. The combination works because every texture changes at the grill. The pork becomes rich and deeply savory, while the green onion develops a softer sweetness and smoky edge. But the green onion story does not end at the grill. In modern Korean bakeries, this familiar ingredient enters a completely. Here, the technique is different, but the principle remains the same. Fresh green onions are folded into soft bread dough with generous layers of cheese.
Inside each piece, the ingredients are layered together rather than simply placed on top. The green onion becomes part of the bread itself, while
now heat takes control. The dough expands, the crust turns golden, the green onions roast into the bread, and the cheese begins to melt. And now comes the reveal. Beneath the golden crust is soft bread, roasted green onion, and melted cheese. And now, the biggest surprise of all. We have seen green onions fermented, grilled, and baked with cheese. But what happens?
The dough is rolled, stretched, and twisted by hand. Small pieces of green onion are woven through the soft dough, creating layers.
And then comes the transformation. The twisted dough enters hot oil, and within moments its surface begins turning crisp and golden. Only moments ago, this was soft dough and fresh green onion. Now, the heat has transformed it into a golden twisted pastry. Crisp outlines. Break it open and the contrast becomes obvious. The outside is crisp and deeply golden. Inside, the dough remains soft and demons. The first bite reveals why this combination can surprise people. The crisp exterior arrives first, followed by soft turn. From a single farm crop, we have already seen 5 completely different identities. Fermented into kimchi, crisped into a pancake. The secret may be its versatility. Fresh, green onions can bring sharpness and freshness. Cooked, they become softer and sweeter. Yet after all those transformations, the journey always comes back here. Before the kimchi, before the grill. Behind every ingredient is a process, and behind that process are people. Careful harvesting begins with knowing when once harvested, freshness becomes a race against time. The green onions are sorted, protected, and moved toward kitchens where they can be transformed almost immediately. One ingredient can now be divided into completely different culinary paths. Some pieces are destined for fermentation, others will meet a hot griddle. One crop, 5 destinations. And this is only part of the story. Green onions can move from fermentation to frying in tiklojas. So why do green onions appear in so many Korean dishes? Perhaps the answer is simple. They can add freshness without overpowering. Even before cooking begins, green onions announce themselves. Slice through a fresh stalk and its aroma rises immediately. That sharp fragrance is one of the first signals. Heat changes everything. The sharpness begins to soften. The leaves wilt, the edges brown, decimate. With fermentation, green onion takes another dramatic turn. Its fresh sharpness becomes deeper and more complex than it is. Served at the table, green onion kimchi becomes more than a side dish. Its spicy, fermented character cuts through richer.
Then there is the pancake, a completely different expression of the same ingredient. Here, the green onion stays visible, surrounded by a crisp golden.
On the Korean grill, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The outer layers char against the heat while the center softens. In the bread, the green onion becomes quieter but no less important. Roasted inside soft dough and surrounded by melted cheese, its sharpness. And finally, the most unexpected transformation. The green onion twisted donut takes the ingredient somewhere few people would expect. From clean water and green leaves to fermentation, fire, bread, and pastry, the journey is extraordinary. The same humble show. Every dish we have seen began with the same humble ingredient. What looks like 5 completely different foods is actually one continuous journey.
Before these onions become food, quality begins with the harvest. Mature stems, firm leaves, and freshness.
Once harvested, preparation begins with something deceptively simple. Cleaning. Every leaf is inspected, trimmed. Long before these onions become elaborate dishes, they are simply everyday produce. In Korean markets, freshness is visible. The cut can change the experience. Thin slices release aroma quickly. Long strips preserve more of the onion's structure, even before cooking.
Across every preparation, one principle stays consistent: balance. The green onion must be noticeable, but it must also work with every.
Look closely, and the real story is texture. Fresh and crisp, fermented and tender, golden. After the journey through farms, kitchens, grills, fermentation, and bakeries, everything finally arrives at the same place: the table.
5 preparations, 5 different experiences. The kimchi brings intensity, the pancake brings crispness, the grill brings smoke.
So why are Koreans obsessed with green onions? Maybe because this ingredient never has to remain the same. Fresh, it is sharp and vibrant. Maybe the answer was never about one particular dish. Maybe it was always about what this simple ingredient can become. 5 dishes, 5 personalities. Kimchi brings heat and fermentation. The pancake brings crispness. The grill brings smoke.
And it all begins again here. Before the flavor, before the fire, before fermentation and baking.
From water to fire, the transformation begins. The same green onion that grew quietly in a controlled farm can face completely different forms of heat, fermentation. Listen closely, and the story changes again. Water, knife, fire, oil, fermentation. Every stage creates a different moments. From a flowing aquaponic channel to a Korean dining table, the journey is surprisingly long. Farmers grow it. Work 5 transformations, 5 textures, 5 completely different experiences. And yet, the identity of the green onion never truly disappears. Perhaps that is what makes green onions so fascinating. They are humble enough to disappear into from a farm growing quietly in water to dishes shared around a Korean table. This journey shows how much can be created from something so ordinary.
And perhaps that is why Koreans keep coming back to it. Again and again. In dishes both traditional and
unexpected. Once harvested, preparation begins with something deceptively simple. Cleaning. Every leaf is inspected, Listen closely, and the story changes again. Water, knife, fire, oil, fermentation. Every stage creates a different moments. From a flowing aquaponic channel to a Korean dining table, the journey is surprisingly long. Farmers grow it. Work 5 transformations, 5 textures, 5 completely different experiences. And yet, the identity of the green onion never truly disappears. Perhaps that is what makes green onions so fascinating. They are humble enough to disappear into from a farm growing quietly in water to dishes shared around a Korean table. This journey shows how much can be created from something so ordinary.